New updates from Google AdSense. Go paperless with your US withholding tax documents. So, may tanggap tayong email, then nag-search po ako kung paano po, then gusto ko lang din po ma-share sa inyo. Hi mga palangga! I'm Peromingan, your healthy food lover, and welcome to my channel! So, ito po yung email niya, yung nakabilog na pula. I-click lang natin yan. Then, after that, magbasa-basa muna tayo. Go paperless with your US withholding tax documents. Then, may nakikita kayong manage tax info sa baba. I-click lang natin yan. After that, scroll down nyo lang po. Siyempre, takpan natin yung ating personal info, okay? So, may nabasa tayong Manage Delivery Preferences. I-click lang natin ito. US Tax Document Deliver. Go paperless. So, nakaklik na po siya. Automatic na po yan. Then, basahin muna natin yung Paperless Delivery Agreement. Ayan po. Medyo mahaba-haba. Ayan. Magbasa-basa muna tayo. Kung ano yung mga agreement nila. Ayan po. Ayan. Then, after natin mabasa lahat ito, i-click lang po natin yung I accept the paperless delivery agreement. Okay? Check lang natin yan. Or i-click lang natin yan. After that, click the update delivery preferences. That's it, guys. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa ating short tutorial video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe, everyone, and God bless us all. Bye! See you on my next vlog!